So hello everyone, welcome back to Think with Tech. Today we are busting 8 common myths about data science. And trust me, some of these might surprise you. So if you have ever felt intimidated by the word data science, this video is for you. Let's clear the fog. So the first myth that we are going to cover is you need a PhD degree to become a data scientist. Nope. It's not true. You don't need a doctorate to work in data science. What you need is skill. In what? In coding, analysis, and communication. Plenty of pros come from boot camps or self-taught backgrounds. I hope this is clear with you. Now let's move on to the myth number 2. So myth number 2 is you must be a math genius. Wrong again. You need basic math, statistics, probability, linear algebra, and some calculus as well. But you don't need to solve integrals in your sleep. Tools like Python and Excel do the heavy lifting for you. So you just need to know the basics of math and not to become a genius in math. If you are a genius or you have good knowledge in math, that will be a plus point for you. So the myth number 3 is data scientists only code all day. This again is not true. Actually, they spend time cleaning data, visualizing results, talking to teams, and solving business problems. Coding is just one slice of the pie. I hope this is clear. Now, the myth number 4 is you must master Python. Again, this is not true. You need to understand Python basics and key libraries. The key libraries can be scikit-learn, then pandas, numpy, matplotlib, seaborn, and if you are going in deep learning, so you must know the basics of TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch. I hope this is clear. But nowadays with AI tools and low-code platforms, even beginners can build powerful workflows. So nowadays you don't need to master Python. You just need to know the basics and you should know how to read the code. If you know these, you're good to go. And myth number 5 is DSA is essential for data science. Now what is DSA? DSA is nothing but data structures and algorithms. So this is a bit more advanced topic in coding, but only if you are aiming for top tech firms like Google, Microsoft, Meta, etc. For most roles, focus on data wrangling. Data wrangling is nothing but data set handling, modeling, and also storytelling. Not binary trees, linked list, and all those kind of things. But if you are aiming for top tech firms like Google, Microsoft, Meta, Facebook, etc., these firms, then you need to know DSA. It's essential for that kind of dream. So myth number 6 is data science is all about building models. Again, this is not true. Most time of data scientists goes into cleaning messy data, engineering features. Engineering features is nothing but making new features from the existing data. Means features is nothing but columns in a data set. And understanding the problem. Modeling is just the final 10%. Okay, I hope this is clear again. So myth number 7 is you need big data to do data science. Not true again. Small data sets can be powerful too. It's not about quantity, it's about quality and insights that you get from the data set. The last myth of this video is AI will replace data scientists. Again, not true, but AI is just a tool and not a threat. So it helps you automate tasks, but human judgment, ethics, and domain knowledge are irreplaceable. If you have good problem solving skills, you can code very well. Also, you can solve business problems very efficiently and effectively. That's it. You can use AI as a tool, as your teammate, and you're good to go. So AI will not replace data scientists in the future. If you have good skills and if you have skills enough to solve and tackle all the business problems, then AI will not replace you. AI will help you do your task more efficiently and more effectively. So there you have it. 8 myths busted. If you found this helpful, drop a like, share it with your fellow learners, and subscribe for more tech wisdom. And hey, if you have ever heard any other myths, comment them below in the comment section. Let's bust them together. Thanks for watching. This is Lokesh from Think with Tech, signing off.